Looking at these images, chances are you are wondering what is really happening. Mainstream media attributes this to climate change. But if you are watching this video, you have your doubts. Well, in this video, we are going to see if this is just a really hot day by first examining whether climate change is happening and whether it's caused by humans. First, some clarification. We use temperature anomalies, which is the difference between area's current temperature and its average temperature in a period of time, because they don't vary drastically over a large space and a frame of time, whereas temperature is highly sensitive to small changes. Now let's look at the data from NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Study. As seen, the temperature anomaly has had an upward trend since 1880 and it is still increasing. Still, from that data, we can see that there are vastly more positive temperature anomaly values, as in hotter than the selected average in the 3 decades since 1981 than those before. The global sea level rose around 8 inches in the last century. Sea levels are increasing slightly every year according to NASA. To illustrate the rise, here are some hypothetical visualizations. So what's the cause? Is it natural? Well, the Earth is surrounded by an atmosphere that's filled with greenhouse gases. When the sun sends heat to the Earth, some escape while some are trapped by those gases. Now, water vapor is a feedback gas. It is dictated by temperature, while CO2 and methane are forcing gases that trap heat and cause temperature to go up. CO2 is the gas of interest. Why? Before the industrial era in the late 19th century, the highest CO2 level in 800 years was 280 parts per million. In 1950, it went to over 380 ppm. And the number is increasing rapidly. Here is CO2 measured by various stations in the world. As of 2021, the number is 417 ppm. Here is a chart showing the correlation between carbon dioxide levels and temperature anomalies. The correlation is unlikely to be spurious, as it is established that CO2 helps trap greenhouse gases. Here is another chart showing how closely related they are in nearly 1 million years. As climate change is an often sensationalized issue, it is reasonable to be skeptical. However, this is a matter of science, and science does not have definite proofs like math. Instead, it is based on observations and explaining those observations, and climate change has a wealth of evidence and logical theories behind it. It is not unreasonable to say that climate change is happening and that humans are responsible. We hope this video at least clarifies and provokes deep thought into your held beliefs in this global, fast-changing issue.